Hey, what's up guys? We're out here at the river and today we're going to be doing some fishing, hopefully a catch, clean, cook, and you'll probably see by the title. So, and we have a special guest, but he's swimming right now, Chop.
Yeah, he's my dog.
Yeah.
And little one.
We're not going to be fishing here, we're going to be heading upstream, kind of exploring the river a little bit, so stay tuned because this is probably going to be a longer video.
Yep.
The rods are in our house right now. $1 million.
It's in our tent. We can't really take it anywhere because it's 80 pounds.
This is a big old thing.
Which kind of sucks.
We were supposed to sleep in here last night, but big thunderstorm.
Yeah, it was loud as hell, and we have some holes in this tent, so we didn't really want to get wet. So we just stayed the night in the house over. Oh, there's a special guest.
We'll just pack around your tackle box.
Yep. I'll show him the inside.
It's not very set up.
Okay, we never really got to set it up. Everything's kind of just lying there, but we would have if we could have. Yep. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there's some holes all over in the tent. And a big spider right there.
All set up.
I think that's a daddy long legs.
Packed up.
We got everything?
Alright guys, we're back at the spot. Just got here. It's like Chop's in the water. And I'm just getting down to my spot. And probably gonna be a longer video. So stay tuned. And yeah, what I'm doing is I'm just casting and reeling in. As you know, our pink paddle tail. Roaming around. Oh, fish on, guys. Fish is on. Ooh, this is the very small walleye, guys. As you can see, got Chop here. Chop's my good luck. Try to pull this fish up on the bank. Giant walleye, guys. Just joking. It's actually a very small walleye for in this river. Just a little guy. Safe release. Safe release, guys. Safe release. Chop, you should stay here. I catch fish when you're around. Another one. What is it? Close to the same size, guys. Possibly the same fish. Oh, Chop, do you not like the fish? Oh, buddy, you're really flopping. Sorry, this fish got a little dirty, guys. Sorry about that. Try to do my best with the fish. But sometimes they just kind of... No, this is a different fish. Chop! Another small walleye. We're not going to be keeping those size because we want to let them grow. And it looks like Cordell's coming over here. Did you catch anything?
No bite. Too shallow.
Yeah. I've caught 2 dinks.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, little walleye. Alright. Yeah, let's move up. Do you want to carry the tackle box? I'll take the camera.
Yep.
Yeah, it's pretty shallow. Holy sh! Oh, my bad, guys. He bit really fast.
Yeah.
Oh, and he
got off.
He got off. I see him.
Decent little jack.
He's right here. He's right here.
Oh,
He had it. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Are you getting this?
I hope so. Try and go away from it and see if it tries to follow you. good. You hold the camera.
No,
I'll
I
track
got
it.
Where is
Here's the thing. There's a pond right there.
Where is he going? He's gone.
That sucks.
That was
Like right here.
right in front of us. Did you get that on, did you see him on the camera?
Yeah, I got him on the camera.
Oh my, you really? Sorry for... Guy, if the person watching this, probably their tractor. If you can see, it's a pretty nice hole. Do you want to cast that way and I'll cast this way, like last time?
Yeah. Fish on.
Fish on.
Jack.
Oh,
Bigger.
it's a nice jack. Just pull him up. It's a nice pike. It's a good pike each.
The big one.
Oh, fish. Fish on.
Oh,
It's not a very
two
big...
fish. Should we keep this one?
No.
Okay.
I don't think mine's very big.
Oh. Slimy bit. Big? That's two fish.
He's not super dead.
Oh, maybe it's just nerves.
I'm gonna go get
One walleye and one jack. And that jack was pretty big. Yep, you guys can see me. Fish on. Oh, is it a walleye? Oh. It's a walleye. If I land this, I think it might be a keeper, guys. Garrett! Yeah. I got one. Keeper? Yeah. It's big.
Holy, let me see. Oh my! Holy! Queech, that's a nice one.
Yeah, we're keeping this boy.
Holy! That's a fat chungus.
Whoa!
No, don't slit him. Go show the camera.
Okay.
Don't slit him, I've got my stringer. Holy, that's a big one, Queech.
It's a big one. Fish on. Oh, it's a tiny one.
I don't trust. Oh, that's a giant. That's a big one.
Yep. Ooh. Nice safe release. Hope you guys are enjoying this video.
Yeah.
And if you want to know what we're using, I'm just using a nice little 5 of diamonds.
I'm using the same thing as at the start of the video.
Yep, he's just using a nice little pink and white paddle tail.
Fish on.
Fish on?
Oh, it's a pike. Here, you want to step on that stringer so... Not a bad one. Here, step on the stringer. Oh, I hate handling these.
Where's the stringer?
It's in there. It's in the grass.
Oh, I see it. A little bit.
That chungus.
Just a little bit.
Just a little. Did you get
Ow.
it? Safe release.
Oh, that kind of hurt the hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where did he get? Was it him or the
the hook. Yeah, guys,
Holy, this string.
just so you guys know, if you ever catch a jackfish, they're slimy buggers. You're gonna need pliers.
Yeah, they're kind of suck. It's nice having pliers, which we did not bring.
Pliers help.
Yeah, they really, really do.
Saves your fingers from getting stabbed.
And it saves them from dying.
Yeah, saves them from staying under the water too long.
All right. What's wrong with my rod? Oh, found it.
Is it a keeper?
Yeah. We can keep that. Oh, shoot.
It's a nice little walleye.
He'll eat.
What does that look like? 18 inches?
Probably. They probably look smaller on camera.
Yeah, most likely, because it's also farther away.
And the camera's pretty.
It's an iPhone 8, so it's not the best camera.
Pretty nice walleye. We'll eat them.
Yep. So right there, our camera died, and we have not got to editing anything yet.
Yeah.
And it's kind of winter time.
Yeah, it's a
outside.
long time from when we posted that video, and we didn't really get to it. So, like and subscribe, and yeah, hopefully we'll get posted some more soon.
Yeah, we'll try to bring more batteries next time. And
Yeah.
all right, well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.